get it right before wrap, and change out a couple things.
2, 1, go.
All right. So we back.
Gloves.
Putting on some gloves so we can get this started.
We got gloves.
They're not weak, bro. They Dollar General special, bro. And they also great workout gloves. Yo, I don't know nothing about no working out with your sorry ass. Anywho, first thing we're gonna do is take off this hood. We're gonna take off the headlights, because also this headlight don't work for real. But the turn signal don't. I gotta replace the module that holds the bulb together. We're gonna take off the bumper because we're gonna eventually be going on to sand down this entire bumper, and we're gonna fix and repair this little crack here. This happened from some asphalt. It's kind of busted, as you can see. Put my hand, I'm not trying to break it. Fiberglass, so we'll see how that goes, and we'll figure out what we're gonna do to this hood. I might try to spray it myself, but I'll take it to my boy Ace's place, who has an actual paint gun and paint booth that I can use, and yeah. And then we're just gonna go down the list on the car. The rear bumper also, if we go this way. A hell of a gap. It's a hell of a gap in here. We're gonna replace all the stuff in here and try to get this nicely fitted so it doesn't look as goof anymore. We're trying to make this car look good. So, in other words, let's go ahead, cut to the chase, and I guess let's get started. Also, if you tool brands, I need like a stand. I need a lot.
Oh God.
I need a lot. This all I work with. This all I work with. I might as well work with my hands. See, if I had a power tool, you know, this would have been done. You know what I'm saying? So y'all like y'all go ahead and sponsor me, you know, because power tools are important. Oh. Now I want y'all to see the real shit show underneath. See that? Y'all see that?
Do it again? What do you want me to see?
I don't know, man. It's a very light bumper though.
Wait. Put that shit out there.
We're just gonna keep it here. Fuck it. All right, let's get to the next portion. Yes, sir. Damn.
Bro, it's 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, y'all. On 4th of July. Some shit, I don't know. All right, come close. Come close. So y'all see right here? This right here is some bullshit. Because if I take it out, y'all gonna see this fucking bolt this bowl keep coming out. It's not sitting the way it need to be sitting. So I bought some replacements. I'm gonna have to cut this, and then it should sit perfectly fine. It's just too loose. It's loose like some of y'all.
Damn.
This shit kind of crazy. I should cut that out.
It's actually nuts.
All right, so camera died. So we had to charge a little bit. So I went ahead and started taking off a couple of things. So the bumper's off, the headlights are off, and the hood is off. They're all back there. And we're gonna work on those little by little. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take out these two carbon fiber fender. And I think we're gonna take off the side skirts, because if you come here, nothing really wrong with the fenders. These are just gonna get wrapped. However, these fenders, well, these side skirts right here, all the clips have been broken, and I've had to do a bunch of ghetto rigging and zip tying to keep them all together. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off. Later I'm gonna go on Z1 and get a bunch of clips and buy them again and pick them out. But in the meantime, they're gonna stay off the car because we are going to wrap this car. But other than that, that's probably gonna be the only thing we can do today. So let's go ahead and I guess knock those out. I'm desperate. It ain't coming off. It ain't coming off.
It's not coming off.
It ain't coming off.
It'd be like that. Don't break it.
I ain't gonna break it now. Probably gotta take the other ones off too. And oh shit. Shit is under pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. That is why, folks, I'm not gonna lie, carbon fiber fenders are also a disease too. I got finessed. All the old 350Z heads, not the old ones, but the 2017 ones telling you that carbon is the truth, they lied to you. Don't buy it. They don't fit well. You need to buy brackets and create brackets for them that they don't sell. It's a bunch of hoo-ha, hoopla. Yeah, man. This look used. Who put this on here? You. It's not coming out. Oh, oh! I need that. Why the heck? This man just asked me what a fender is, bro. Come on, man. Don't point at it now. Look, he's doing too much. He unsure. That wasn't a solid, accurate. That looked like a baby. Like you weren't sure about what you was talking about.
Am I right or not?
You're right.
All right. Appreciate that.
It's kind of crazy.
I was like, how you know it's going right when I turn it?
It's kind of crazy, ain't it? Oh, this should be easy to take off, but it's gonna be hard as hell to remount. I'll tell y'all that now, man. Oh! Look how they look like in the sun. It's clean enough.
This shit shiny.
Shiny.
That shit.
Damn, bro, not too much on it.
How did it get like that?
Staying in the sun, not. Bro, I'm telling you now, carbon parts actually suck. Really, really bad.
Who?
Carbon parts. Except for those are somewhat decent. But then again, I got those ceramic coated. And I continue to ceramic coat them. Don't look at this. Don't look at this. Don't look at this.
I'll never start doing it. All right, cut that out, bro.
So we pretty much done at this point for today. I've taken off everything right here. So we got the fenders completely taken out. What the hell is this? So we got the fenders completely taken off. We got the side skirts taken off. All the things that we kind of want to start getting ready for wrap is pretty much off that we can. In the next video, however, I didn't take off the rear bumper just yet, but like I was saying earlier, we for shit show finna have this fixed. This little gap, this should be my wheel gap, not my bumper gap. We're gonna fix this. We're gonna take off the diffuser as well. I think I might leave the spoiler on and try to figure something out because it got a little crack here, got a little crack there. I don't know what this nigga was trying to do with. I think he tried to Bondo the spoiler, but all this right here, these cracks, that's not it. That's not it. We may take it off. We'll see. We'll make an executive decision. And then we'll see if we have enough time to start this up too. So we're probably gonna have to end up jacking the car. I'm probably gonna jack it on all fours. Sounds crazy, pause. But yeah. We're gonna have to take this off. We're gonna buy a new one from Z1 to replace and put this back on so it doesn't stick out. And yeah, we'll start the process. I also found an issue suspension wise that I'm not gonna be touching. I can, but I'm not trying to cry. But we got a little issue right here. I forget if they call, I think these are called ball joints. I'm gonna have Dula do his work and get that fixed, and we're just gonna replace both of them on both sides. Since this one's torn, I've never changed it before. I think it's best to have Dula do that, and we'll have him do that while we work on the car one of these days during this rebuild process. So I say this is probably a good first start to rebuilding the car. So I'm gonna just clean up the garage, and thank you for watching. Hope to see y'all in the next one like usual. Goodbye, Jana.